Hey, what's up, everybody? I just wanted to let you know that we've been taking all of these tournament models and we've been adding them to the library over at TooTallToby.com. So if we access the full library here and then we go to the filter section, you can sort by newest and you can see that all of the latest tournament models have been added here, including this one. You can see this one was solved by 9 people with an average solve time of 5 minutes and 26 seconds. Can you solve it faster? Well, you can find out over at TooTallToby.com. Software. So I think this is going to be a great match. And let's see here. Hassan in the chat says Mehtab, the fastest 3D modeling speedrunner alive. Yeah. Wow. Well, this is where we find out, right? In the CAD vs. CAD tournaments. So here we go, guys. This next matchup, this first matchup of the day between MrAlex, our number 8 seed from Latvia, running SolidWorks, going up against Mehtab, our number 1 seed, 2-time tournament winner from Bangladesh, running SolidWorks. This CAD vs. CAD battle begins in 3, 2, 1, go! What is the mass of this part in xxx.x grams? And I'm going to turn on the music real quick. It's going to kind of come up here a little bit loud. Sorry, guys. A little bit of battle music here in the background. What is the mass of this part in xxx.x grams? It's in millimeters and ABS, and you can see this is kind of a plastic part. It's called a remote control holder. And here we go. Both of our runners have grabbed a screen capture of that 2D drawing. If you want to grab a screen capture, just roll the video back and you can grab it. But we can see we've got MrAlex on the left running SolidWorks. We've got Mehtab on the right running SolidWorks. And look at these guys. They're both modeling the exact same thing at the exact same time on these 2 different screens. How cool is that? Wow. Both of them just getting right in there with that first sketch and really kind of approaching this thing in a very similar way.
Yeah. What an odd looking part.
Yes, an odd looking part indeed. It's a remote control holder. It's something that you might purchase this on Amazon or something and then stick it to the wall, and then you would have a place where you could always look to see that the remote control is missing.
Yeah.
And so this is the remote controller model. We can see MrAlex on the left drawing up this thing from the front view looking in. We see Mehtab from the right drawing up this thing looking into it. Of course, it's got a tapered bottom, so that means that that location of that center rib is going to be really important. You can't just drop it anywhere because of that tapered bottom, because of that angled bottom. So Mehtab drawing first blood on the right, getting that sketch extruded, getting it fully defined, fully constrained, and getting it extruded, and going through now, and it looks like he's not going to slow down now.
Yeah, no.
Look at that, how quick he went from being extruded to having those additional fillets to having the shell on there. Wow, wow, wow. Very impressive. And Mehtab now getting in here and trying to figure out how he's going to approach that geometry that's kind of coming down into the model, that center kind of rib type shape.
Yeah.
MrAlex on the left seems like maybe he's just struggling a little bit to get that first sketch fully defined. Like you said, Connor, it is kind of an odd shape. A lot of different relationships and things that maybe kind of get in the way.
Yeah. I was gonna say about Mehtab, I don't know if this is a coincidence or if it's just like a matter of great planning or great improvising, but I noticed that it seems like wherever his cursor is, he's doing something. He doesn't like pass over parts and then not do something with them. It seems like he's just very much like flowy, like a painter.
Yeah.
And I don't know if that's just in my own head, but
well, he definitely comes in with a plan and definitely like is able to put that plan to work. And now we're going to hopefully see some delete face action here. Everybody loves seeing delete face. There it was, delete face, delete dingus. And here we're going to watch the chat. We're going to see if he comes in with an answer in the chat. Mehtab coming in with this answer, 128.3 grams. And that is correct.
Very nice.
And Mehtab coming through with a sub 3-minute run.
That's great.
It's not the first one we've seen this tournament, but very, very impressive getting in there with that sub 3-minute run. Not easy to do on these models, especially considering you've never seen them before.
Yeah.
MrAlex getting that sketch fully constrained now. It was a little bit of a tricky sketch in the beginning, and you saw how quickly Mehtab went from having it fully constrained and extruded to having the completed model. And so I suspect that MrAlex is going to be able to do the same thing here and come through and really get this thing done quickly. But wow,
yeah,
that was a sub 3-minute run. Very, very impressive from our runners, from both of our runners. GG to both of the runners on that one. My goodness, that was awesome. Really cool to see there. Congratulations, Mehtab. Nice work on a sub 3-minute run. Always impressive when our runners finish these models so quickly.
Yeah.
I don't know how they can do it. I don't know how they can go from I've never seen the part before to completely fully defined model in under 3 minutes. It's just some great practice and some great workflows.
Yes, I agree. That part's also kind of odd because it's like there's no symmetry in any way of it. Like the front and back, there's a fillet, the side to side, like that's not centered, and you also have the weird curve cut top.
It is true. Yeah, it is true. A lot of our models do have symmetry. A lot of